All right. So, making a video after taking my trades because I'm literally making the video right away because I'm not looking at this later. This is just it just don't the logic is completely out the window. Um, but whatever. I got rage baited. I'm moving on, but pretty much today. Okay, so like obviously no news Monday, whatever. I shouldn't have traded, but I mean I thought I saw an opportunity, but then I just got cucked and I mean, I'm not into that shit, but like, hey, I guess to hell with the market, man. That's what the market wants me to do. I guess I'll have to take it like a king. But whatever, dog. So pretty much 1 hour chart, 1 hour chart, absolutely parallel. YM hits the all-time highs, which is fine. It can do that. 1 hour chart, absolutely nothing at the highs. New week opening gap, so we have to retrace back into it. 15-minute, literally nothing. Clean highs. We go down to a new week opening gap, and I'm like, all right, we're down to new week opening gap. Um, Let me check. And then what's it called? YM hits the bottom. NQ goes halfway. ES ES goes halfway, I think. ES goes a little under halfway. So I'm like, all right, well, I'll just short this. No, I mean I'll buy it because let me see. Because what's it called? I'll buy it because 90-minute over here plus a microcycle microcycle wait Q3 Q2. Oh, it was with the Dow. Q3 Q2. Yeah, I think it was there. I don't know. Yeah, right here. Q2 Q3. I think it was that. Oh, yeah. No, it is there. Yeah, Q3 Q2. So then I see the micro, I see the 90-minute. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna buy it. And then I buy it, and then I just get slammed right away. Like, all right, whatever. Then I wait, and then over here, 5 minute, 5 minute. Where is it? 5 minute right here. So we have the 9:30 opens. 5 minute goes up, and I'm like, all right. So we went up. So then I can short it, right? Because clearly we're in this gap. This is SMT fill, fair value gap SMT with ES. So I'm going to short it. And then takes it out. Like, okay. So after all that rage baiting, I'm like, all right, whatever. So let me show you guys the trades. So stupid. But I just got to move on. So there's that first one slammed. And then I was like, all right, let me short it here. Slammed. And then this one I left a little bit like at like a $20, no, like $30 loss because I was like, let me just leave that right away. And then they get slammed. It's like, bro, all right, whatever, I guess. But hey, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. And now we're running down to where? And then NQ still trailing. Like, I don't know, bro. Anyway, let me know in the comments below if this is a valid crash out or not. I didn't go too into detail on this, but like even right now, like YM's hitting the bottom of that gap, and Q can't even get through New Week opening gap. NES is running as well, just fine. Like, bro, trading NQ has never been worse than now. Like, this is actual dog shit. So, I'm out. This is garbage. And hopefully tomorrow will be fine. Because now, look, now what do we have? Is that a 90-minute? No, that's not a 90-minute. What is that? Micro? For what purpose? No purpose. Well, lower, this isn't even a micro. And it's just running higher when the other ones are collapsing. Look at where Dow's at. Like, garbage. Absolute garbage. So yeah, I guess takeaway of today is don't trade no news Mondays, but at the same time, it's like we've seen so many clean no news Mondays. It just flew down, and then right here, this trend around on my first trade, like you're telling me this is the reason for the reversal? I mean, we had a PSP right here. I was like, all right, PSP, we touched like halfway, touched bottom, right? So there's a chance of us reversing. Slammed. Okay. So it is what it is. I guess we love getting cooked. But yeah. Anyway, definitely not trading anymore today. Lost a shit ton, 325 on all five. Well, no, 334. Because I took one more on those other ones, but I'm done with that. 334, and that's it. Cooked. 334, well, let's multiply that by 5. That's what, like 1,500 on the day? Whatever, dude. Across the accounts, though. Across the accounts. 3 fucking red days, red weeks, whatever. Just stupid, man. Just stupid. But it is what it is. I mean, fucking retarded. Just insane, dude. But anyway, crash out was valid or not? Tell me in the chat. I think it was a valid crash out because, I mean, like, literally, man, what is going on? It makes sense because, like, okay, like, it's about to be August and it's not the best price action. Like, okay, that's fine. But, like, come on, man. Like what is this? So, whatever. I think the crash out was valid. That was 7 minutes and about 7 minutes and 40 seconds of crashing out. I'm done for the day. Bye. All right, y'all. So I'm playing game Var 6 right now, and I was like, and I realized that today's loss is pretty bad, but it's actually not too bad. Um, by the way, I recorded that video like right after I took a loss. It's 9 hours, 9 hours later. Yeah, 9.5 hours later. So I'm chilling. But pretty much the conclusion I came to from today is that the analysis in terms of recognizing SSMTs absolutely there because I'm not wrong. They're there, but the issue is that like let's say I see an SSMT in the 90-minute, it's there, it goes up, but then that 1 hour SSMT, I mean not SSMT, 1 hour fair value gap SMT with body 1 hour body SMT, and bam, drops all the way down. Why? Because there's no higher time frame to go up. There was just a unique opening gap that caused a retracement. And that right there is exactly why I lose literally 70% of my trades. I enter into the manipulation, and the manipulation SSMT, which I do confirm, like it's correct, it's SSMT, but I don't enter on the manipulation and catch only the manipulation. I try to catch the full move. And then in cases like today, even if I would buy, it would reverse straight through me because I'm trying to hold it to the high. So it's completely improbable for me to trade this way. And going forward, I'm gonna make another video. I'm gonna have two trading strategies. One's gonna be for daily cycle, one's gonna be for 90-minute. Well, weekly cycle, which will be weekly cycle with a 90-minute, and you got to out enter on the 90-minute, or daily cycle and like an entry with the 1 minute, or daily cycle 15-minute FPSP confirmation. So this way, I'll have very concrete things to see because weekly cycle, you can't mess up a weekly cycle. If it's there, it's there. You know, sometimes you can mess it up and be like, oh, it's weekly cycle to go here, but then you get magnetoed out. That's fine, but it won't happen to me that often. And like in cases like today, I would wait till, well, you didn't see there, but I would wait till after manipulation would happen because I would have to enter at like 10:20 today because then there was 9:30 created manipulation. Well, 8:30 all the way through 9:30 created the manipulation level. We swept it and then we dropped lower, and so the trade was to that drop. But we had no level, like we had no high or low to be swept until we created that range, and then we went through. So that's it for this video. But I'm gonna make a new one, and I need to work on that. So adios for real.